News 46. Local coverage you can count on.
Twisted Sisters and Secret Sisters consignment shops would like to remind you that we have a variety of items from furniture to clothing at affordable prices. We're located across from the post office and we would love to show you around. So please come over and visit the sisters today. You won't be disappointed.
I'm with Dr. Bubb. Tell me about endocrinology.
Endocrinology is the study of conditions related to primarily hormones, and it also relates to metabolism. So some of the common conditions that we deal with are diabetes, osteoporosis, thyroid disorders, issues related to weight, and also pituitary disorders.
So that's a wide array.
Yes, it is. It's certainly a wide array. It has to do with primarily in talking to patients, getting a detailed history, and from there ordering tests that can likely help in managing whatever the issues are.
Do we deal with preventive care as well as symptoms and treatment?
With endocrinology, preventative care is of paramount importance. The reason why is because particularly in some of the patient populations here in the Valley, preventative care with regards to osteoporosis is quite important because hip fractures and back fractures are quite debilitating, and the complications associated with such can be far-fetched in terms of not just for the patient but for the family. So it's important that patients are screened appropriately for such conditions, and we can actually prevent these dreaded complications from happening. The same thing goes for diabetes, which is quite common here in the Valley, where if you are at high risk for this condition based on family history, or you as a patient in terms of weight, an increase in weight, tiredness, we may notice that your blood sugars fasting when it's done are elevated. That may suggest diabetes. So as a result, we can go in and do appropriate testing to confirm the diagnosis and implement therapy early rather than waiting or delaying therapy and get the dreaded complications, particularly cardiovascular disease with myocardial infarctions and strokes, also renal failure, that's a kidney failure, and even blindness. These things can be prevented if these conditions are looked for.